Hello everyone. Today I want to speak openly and honestly about filming on Red Street, also known as Walking Street. Recently I was walking with my camera when a local Filipino approached me. He said, "Hey, I am subscribed to you." Then he showed me his phone. But the channel on his screen was not ours. I know that channel. It belongs to someone else, a creator who films with a hidden camera and focuses mainly on women. We have only one official channel, and you already know which one it is. Let me be clear about something. We do not judge other creators. If someone chooses to film secretly or hide their face, that's their personal choice. It's their business, not ours. We don't interfere and we don't criticize. However, some people keep writing in the comments, just keep filming walking street, even if there's an unofficial ban, just hide the camera. No, we are not going to do that. We will not film walking street anymore. We already said this before and nothing has changed. If you subscribe to this channel only for walking street content, you are free to unsubscribe. We're not going back there even without a camera. One time, while walking on Walking Street, I heard some girls talking after they noticed my camera. They said something like, "That blogger makes money here and doesn't pay anyone." Let's be honest, everyone on that street makes money. Bars make money, businesses make money, girls make money, just in different ways. By that logic, no one should film anywhere in the world, not in another city, not in another country. So the idea that bloggers shouldn't earn money there simply doesn't make sense. Here's another important point. Videos from Walking Street are usually not monetized. If women appear in bikinis or revealing clothing, YouTube often restricts or demonetizes those videos. Sometimes they even blocked as adult content. Because of that, it's actually better for us not to film there at all. Editing becomes easier. There's no copyrighted music to cut out, no faces to blur, and no angry people in the frame. It's simply less stress. We understand that many of you still enjoy tourist areas like Fields Avenue and nearby streets, and we will continue filming there once a week, just not Walking Street. Some people say we filmed Walking Street too often. That's not true. We went there only once a week, usually on Friday or Saturday. One recording was simply divided into several videos and uploaded on different days. You can always check the filming date at the beginning of each video. Very rarely did we go there twice in 1 week, and that was only to meet subscribers. So, no, this channel was never only about Walking Street. People just watch what they personally want to watch. Now, about the filming ban itself. I believe it exists so tourists feel safer, so people can walk freely, sit in bars, and not worry about their faces appearing online, especially those who don't want their families to know they're there. I understand that in our videos we always warned people that filming was taking place. If someone didn't want to be on camera, we removed that part. We never filmed secretly. But here's the problem. When open filming is banned, hidden filming increases. Other channels will continue filming secretly without showing their faces, and people won't even know who filmed them or where to complain. Walking Street is a public place. Anyone with a phone can record a video and upload it online. You might never even know it happened. Because of these rules, Walking Street feels emptier now. There are fewer people and fewer tourists. Angeles City used to be popular because it was affordable. You could meet someone just by walking along Fields Avenue without entering expensive bars. That's mostly gone now. In my opinion, these rules are not really for tourists. They push people into bars where everything is more expensive. That's just my view. But in the end, we don't care who makes money or how much. If filming openly on Walking Street is not allowed, we simply won't go there. We are not going to argue and we are not going to ask for permission. We're just moving on. Let other bloggers film Walking Street. We'll keep filming where it makes sense calmly, openly, and with respect. Thank you for watching and supporting us.